do you come off even having an opinion about my shit, dog? What have you done for this fucking game that gives you the right to tell me what's wrong and what's right? How many songs have you written for the industry? How many people have you fed in this fucking industry? You think these numbers that you're getting, that you're sending to MacG, make you the nigga that can sit here and tell me shit? Secondly, dog, you're a crut man. You're a crut man, Fiso. Don't come here with stupid conversations like that. Is this the shit that you're teaching kids right now, that you should compare women like that? Are you serious? Why aren't we putting credibility on the table? Why aren't we putting real facts? Which, yo, this person, if you're this person, you can actually live and survive in this industry, doing your own things, surviving, and nobody even knowing about it. And you're right. Public perception. My girl is out there doing her own things quietly, minding her own business. You bring her onto this show, calling her a downgrade. Get the fuck out of here. Don't justify that shit, dog. Don't fucking justify that shit. That shit was foul. That shit was wrong. And on another day, niggas die for shit like that. I could have tested your jaw right now because you tried to justify this shit. But I came here to make this a teachable moment. If you're gonna come on here, come here with facts, guys. Don't fucking come here and make opinions like that. I'm not the one to be sitting here watching you guys throwing opinions about.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgoso's Mzansi. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trying to reason ngemva ukuthi attend interview lapha ku interview bamtshele ukuthi kungani wahlukana naLootLove wajola naChicilamenene since uChicilamenene she's a downgrade kesana, and vele wakwata wagana nwabo batshela where to get off kesana, and people said ukuthi yep, he's a real man reason kesana. He is indeed a real man standing up for your girl kesana. No one will mess with a relationship here, but no one will ever talk shit about uChicilamenene because they know ukuthi ayitokwata nkosi yami, and everyone is just talking about him ukuthi ayibo indoda emadodzeni lapha kuma social media platforms nje bayasho ukuthi ayibo reason for president nguye nje lemele abamele ku men's conference because wow, this is what a guy does. Makakuthanza mabakhuluma idudi ngawe akumele baqaqatele nabo bathi ukuthi abaphinze bakhulume ishede ngawe kuye. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.